The thing that's good about this particular C-Star mouthpiece from Selmer is that it's great for playing classical music in wind ensemble. If you put this mouthpiece on your horn, you're gonna have a really steady tone and you're not gonna have to worry about how the saxophone sounds. This mouthpiece is meant for classical. It's not all that versatile for, say, like jazz or louder rock bands. This is definitely for the classical saxophonist who's trying to get just a steady, easy to make and easy to produce tone. The best part about this mouthpiece is that it's easy for beginners to sound good with less effort. The cons about this mouthpiece is it's not really suited for jazz band, not really good for standing out, and not really good for being very loud. This helps you blend in an orchestral setting. It also helps you just achieve just a nice pure tone that doesn't have any nasal or nasally sounding resonances to it. It's more of a classical piece for saxophonists. Instead of buying a new saxophone, getting a good mouthpiece like this is worth the investment. When I first started playing saxophone, I had a really bad horn. It was actually a con. It was like a student level con, and I had a generic mouthpiece. Thankfully, I upgraded to this so that I could actually produce a good tone and get away with playing through some scales. Whereas beforehand, working with that mouthpiece and that old horn just wasn't manageable. So getting this mouthpiece as an upgrade was the best decision I made early in my saxophone playing. You can tell I've gotten a lot of use out of this mouthpiece because the color has faded. I used hot water and that turned the color just a little bit gray, greenish. It's a little hard to tell in this light, but it definitely faded the ebony color of this mouthpiece. The last benefit about this mouthpiece is that you can find it on Amazon. So go ahead and get it in the product description here on my YouTube video, or you can read my full article about reviewing this Selmer C-Star mouthpiece that I just love dearly because it's the first mouthpiece that set my saxophone playing in the right direction. Surprisingly, this mouthpiece comes in under $200. I'm actually surprised to see how inexpensive this is for the quality that you get, especially if you're a student playing saxophone.